In this College Algebra CLEP lesson, we're going to talk about the quadratic formula. So this problem says, which of the following are the solutions to the equation 3x squared plus 2x equals 5 minus 2x? Alright, so the first thing we want to do here is get this in the standard form. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So basically everything to the left side. So I subtract 5, add 2x to both sides. I'll end up with 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. Alright, so from there, we want to figure out what x is equal to cause this to equal 0. Sometimes you can factor these and figure it out, but here I want to use the quadratic formula. So you can always use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic here. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. In this case, our a is 3, our b is 4, and our c is negative 5. So those are all those three values. Now if I plug them in, negative b, so that's going to be negative 4 plus or minus square root b squared, so 4 squared, minus 4 times 3 times negative 5 all over 2 times 3. That's going to give me negative 4 plus or minus 16 plus 60 all over 6. Now 16 plus 60 is 76. So now we have negative 4 plus or minus square root of 76 over 6. Now if you look at 76, that's going to be 4 times 19. 4 is a perfect square, so the square root of 4 is 2. So that comes outside the radical. 19 stays inside. So if I look at the numbers, negative 4, 2, and 6, those are all divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide all those by 2. That gives me negative 2 plus or minus square root of 19 over 3. Okay, and that's going to be our answer. So in this case, it's going to be answer D. And with the quadratic formula, the plus or minus, that basically means there's two values. There's a negative 2 plus square root of 19 over 3, and negative 2 minus the square root of 19 over 3. So there's two answers.